Hello, and I'm very highly obligated to God because God has given such a privilege to visit this wonderful village which is in Nagaland. Yet people do not know about Nagaland, but today I want to tell you this is very beautiful village, and also people are very good and very humble. We can hear many rumors about Northeast in our UP. In our North India, people are very fearing to the Northeast and they are telling they are uncultured, they are telling many bad words about Northeast. But I want to tell you, this is the India's very beautiful culture and beautiful people and very humble and very generous people are staying here. So I am now an example. I am here in Nagaland, and also you can also see is my wife from Nagaland, and we are here to tell you Northeast is a very beautiful place and very beautiful city. Thank you. Keep watching this whole video, then you will know about